in the 2.6-degree increase in average national temperature since 1970. Coincidentally, that year marked America's first Earth Day celebrations. But in the past 52 years, the day has become less of a celebration and more of an annual climate change check-in. So here's what that 2.6 degrees means. According to the World Meteorological Organization, that increase has made extreme weather events 5 times more likely. Compared to the rest of the world, the U.S. has incurred the biggest economic losses from hurricanes, wildfires, and mass flooding since 1970. But it's not all doom and gloom. The UN says humanity now has the technology to reverse climate change. So as our planet's health declined, humanity's ingenuity rose to meet this moment. In other words, all of us will play a part in healing the Earth. Sarina Sandoval takes us to an Earth Day event to remind us big change often starts with small steps.
Earth Day! Raise your hand if you said Earth Day.
A day dedicated to make Earth a better place. And what better way to learn about it than to invite NASA's scientist, JT Reager, to Ulysses Grant High School.
We're kind of like doctors for the planet.
He's been an Earth scientist at NASA for 8 years now, where he monitors the planet.
The planet is changing. It's changing a lot under human pressures. So humans have a big impact on our planet, and that's something that we can measure and see from space.
JT says the best way we can help our planet is having a conversation. So on this Earth Day, he'll be teaching students like Carlos Gudinu how to be a little nicer to the planet.
As a scientist,
Do you like wine?
how would you decrease the amount of water you use?
JT specializes in the topic of fresh water. His research focuses on changing resources and different ways to help save it. He says there's a water footprint in almost everything from what we wear to what we eat.
If you can eat a little bit less beef, man, the planet will love you and thank you forever.
Carlos is a 12th grader. In this class, environmental technology is his favorite subject. Carlos even wore his NASA sweatshirt and says he'd like to work there one day to help make the planet a better place.
My favorite topic is probably trying to figure out ways to help get rid of pollution.
Carlos says after learning more about Earth Day, he's going to start doing his part.
I take like little long showers, I'm short on that, and also plastics. I'll try not buying plastics as much.
JT says these students are our future, so it's important to speak to them about climate change.
It's really our job to get that information out there to the public so the public knows what's happening, how the Earth is changing in time, and what the prognosis is for the future.
Carlos says he can't wait to go home to tell his parents what he learned. And JT says getting people to have that conversation is the goal to help save the planet.